Oh, for fuck's sake. Yes, I was muted. I mean, it all still stands, of course. What a fucking idiot. Here we go. Yeah. It helps when I don't mute myself on purpose. Alrighty. Tyler Hero. Yes, that'd be a brilliant idea. Kemba Walker, Darius Garland, Joel Embiid, PJ Washington, Jordan Poole, RJ Barrett, Steph Curry. No, that's my fault. Sekou Doumbia, Nicolo Melli, Rui Hachimura, Tyler Hero Bronze, Luka Doncic Flux, Ja Morant Marquis, and Jackson Hayes. Has Hendo lost the plot? I like when Hendo loses a plot. Such a beacon of togetherness, and then when he loses a plot, it gets real feral. Maybe me being muted for a break could actually help people. Everyone would be like, wow, it's so pleasant. Anthony Hayes, Dunn, Bertans, Porter, Covington, dual color, Trevor Ariza, and Robert Woodard, rated rookie dual color. God, I'm so stupid. So stupid. Udoka, rated rookie, and Denny Avdia. David, probably. No, John Morant, Landry Shamet, James Harden, Kemba Walker, Jarrett Culver. Dual color, DeJounte Murray. Dual color, Kevin Porter Jr. Onyeka Okongwu, and Grant Rilla. God, just give us a nice one-on-one LaMelo, hey? It's been a while. Dual color Dwight Powell. Would like to up those numbers. And a Lonnie Walker blue variant. Unnumbered, but still very pretty. Probably actually one of my favorite colors. David, I'll have a look for you after this break. CJ Ellaby, Nico Mannion. If you don't today, you'll definitely will tomorrow. Bradley Beal, Cullen Johnson. And... oh, tasty! And it's a full order of Onyeka Okongwu. This is early doors stuff. Nice hit for the Hornets. Just when he used to write out his signature. Hey, Almighty, how you doing? That's cool. Dual color and Simons. Dual color Carey Jr. Sick. Congratulations, Hawks. That's rad. I like that. Tillman, Desmond Byrne. Yo. Rosier, Teague, Levine, Curry base. A Pat Beverly and Patrick Williams. Nice. It's been a good week to have the Bulls. And thank God it got there. Killian Hayes. Now playing Jalen Smith. And Shaq tribute. Rudy Brown. LeBron base. I knew there was one coming. Denny Avdia. Chris Middleton. And Jamal Murray. Both unnumbered. So our numbered one hopefully coming up. Saddiq Bey. Onyeka Okongwu. And James Wiseman. Dun, 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 dun. Chris Dunn. And Kevin Love. Patrick Williams. And now playing Josh Green. Hollow. You gotta believe me, and I wish I could know you. Onyeka Okongwu, Dev Vassell, and a red to 99 of Lonzo Ball. Isaiah Stewart we got next. Isaiah Stewart now playing, and Dev Vassell. Of course, these are just some softer stuff building up to the big boy. hate sand. Terrain Prince, JJ Redick, Brooke Lopez, rookie Nasir Little. Red, Reggie Jackson, and a silver, Dieng. Star Wars cards during the personals portion. Oladipo, Denzel Valentine, Enes Kanter, Dean Wade, rookie. Red, Nikola Vucevic, and Eric Paschal. Yes, there'll be a small amount of personals done for the end of the night. Well, I mean, everyone knows preseason form goes into regular season form. So I'm going with the Sacramento Kings. Personals at 7. Done by 7:30. LeBron, nice. DeAndre Jordan. Sekou Doumbia. Taylor Horton-Tucker. A red Dion Waiters and a silver Daniel Gafford. Kings won the Summer League. Kings are going to win the Major League. The Winter League. Dwight Powell, Danny Green, Markieff Morris, John Stockton Tribute, a red Brandon Ingram, and a green of Ben Simmons. Numbered 52, his jersey number backwards of 99. And Machos' final box is coming up right now. Let's get to it. Hey, Spaders, how you doing? Long time no hear from. How are you? Alrighty, Patrick Williams, Fred VanVleet, and Anthony Edwards jersey, number 1 overall draft pick for the Timberwolves. Blue, Jamal Murray for the Nuggets, and a Rudy Gobert. That is numbered to 249. Busy is always good, though. Were you watching the baseball? I'll be topping. Dev Vassell, Davis Bertans, and a purple LeBron James. James Ramsey on the back. Numbered 57 and 99. That is a beautiful little card right there. Get it in nice and safely. That is beautiful. I always like to put the die cut cards in a bit of a thicker top loader. More corners means more chances to snag. Dragic, Pritchard, Green, Tricolor, DeJounte Murray, and Kevin Love. No color blast tonight, but there was one last night, finally. Lowry, quickly, to 249. It's a jersey auto, JJ Barea. So thank God we hit that LeBron so far, because everything else been real stinky. Scope, Jimmy Butler, Eric Paschal, looking exactly like Eric Paschal, fortunately. Facundo, Porzingis, future star, select future of Dev Vassell, silver rookie Patrick Williams, and Dante DiVincenzo. Oh, some teams just have their bogey team, a team that they never do well against, even like no matter what form they're in or what form their opponents are in. The Jimmy Butler card just fell onto the floor. Fortunately, that's why it's soft down there. And it's in protection. Saddiq Bey, Trey Young, Ja Morant, Vernon. Oh, the wrong Hornet. Vernon Carey Jr. Jesus. That has got a big old line down it right there. I'll trace it with my finger for you. Right there. You can see it there. Bad condition on that one. Unfortunately, it's one of those situations where the card's probably not worth what it would cost to send it to America. And a Lauri Markkanen. Cat, RJ Hampton, Jason Tatum. A silver for the Magic. Our Magic select run continues. Cole Anthony, Joel Embiid on the back. RJ Barrett, Zion, D'Angelo Russell, big old spacer. Silver for the Clippers of Daniel Aturu and a Caleb Martin. Oh, really? What'd the Card Talk podcast have to say? As in Blake or Cherry? Daniel Aturu. Oh, Kenny Martin Jr. To 99. Nice. Luka Doncic. Wow, the hits from this one were okay. Like, the jerseys were okay, but JJ Barea, the only auto? Not lovely. Scope, Tobias Harris, and Cole Anthony. Saban Lee, Cole Anthony, De'Aaron Fox. A scope of Damian Lillard and Rui Hachimura. Chris Paul, Sabonis, Levine, Silver, D'Lo Russell, courtside, Evan Fournier. Come on, Select. Do it for us in this last pack, please. Flynn, Bogdanovich, Silver Cat, courtside Kawhi. So unfortunately, Machos 4494